Hey everyone, welcome to my very first blog. Today, we're going to work on a fun project. We're creating a program that takes numbers as input and counts how many of them are positive. Sounds simple, right? But it's a great way to practice handling user input and exceptions. Let's get started. Okay, let's start by initializing a variable count to 0. This will keep track of the number of positive numbers entered by the user. Next, we use a while loop to continuously prompt the user for input until they enter a negative number. Inside the loop, we use a try block to handle any potential errors when converting the user's input to a float. Now, let's check if the number is less than 0. If it is, we break out of the loop. If the number is greater than 0, we increment our count variable. But what if the user enters something that's not a number? That's where our except block comes in. We catch any value error, exceptions, and print an error message. That's it for today's blog. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.